Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will be discussing phrasal verbs relating to cooking and eating.
To cut out. This means to stop eating something or to stop doing something. So an example sentence would be, a vegan would tell you to cut out eating meat. To cut down on. This means to eat something less often or to do something less often. So for instance, you need to cut down on eating too much chocolate. To live on. To have a particular food as the only food for the main food that a person eats. For instance, some people can live on bananas. To pig out on. To eat a very large amount of something. For instance, he really pigged out on the prawn salad. To wolf down on. To eat something very quickly. For example, he really wolfed down on that burger. Okay everyone, so that was our short video covering phrasal verbs related to eating and cooking. I hope you all found this one educational, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye for now.